Matthew, forgive me for saying this, but we've been hearing that you have a poor sense of direction. Matthew, we're right here. Yeah, we actually think it's true. Still behind you, buddy. Behind you again. I think you need to see a doctor. Get out. The door's over there. But I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more. Yo, Henry, Tommy, how you doing? We're fine. I'm just trying to have a decent beverage here, so don't do nothing to aggravate me. Yo, Jimmy, let me tell you something. I've told you time and time again, I don't shine shoes. I never with you. You sounded like you were being serious. Okay, you don't shine shoes, I understand. Good. Now how about you go and get your shine box? I'm gonna kill you, you ungrateful, miserable little backstabbing excuse for a brother, you! Tommy, calm down! Let me go! Are you done yet? For the 12th time, no. Are you done yet? You ask me that question one more time, I will rip off your arms and use them as firewood. Finished. Jimmy, the firework's attached to your finger. What? Yeah, that was good, but I really hated it. How about we try again? On second thought, one is enough. Yeah. How many stick figures does it take to screw in a light bulb? None. They stick with the old one. What did you say? Hang on, let me get this straight. So you're saying I'm too lazy to screw a light bulb on top of a ceiling? Tell me, I'd rather stick with the situation I'm in? Get out of here, Tommy. I almost got him. I almost got him. They don't call him Wacky Quacky for nothing. It's 3 stick men. Ooh. Everyone put on your best Halloween costume. Are you talking to me? Let's get this party started. Hey, Tommy, you should look spiffy. What do you mean spiffy? Spiffy how? You mean I'm like some well-mannered butler here to hold the door for you and take your coat? What do you mean spiffy? Spiffy how? I'm just saying you chose a clever costume. I just want everyone to have fun at the party. After all, today is my birthday. And the cake frosting they serve at the 99-cent store! Don't get me started! Sorry. In the meantime, try your best to continue having fun at the party. Sheesh, and I thought I'd never shut up. I mean, really, he's just as talkative as I am when I'm trying to tell someone about how I got... Matthew sounds like he's in trouble. I think he's trying to fix the fuse box and turn the lights back on. Oh, don't everybody help at once! Okay, I have no idea what just happened, but I gotta sit down and think. Ah, that's it, Henry! That's it! Yo, Tommy, Henry didn't do that! What? He's right, Tommy, I didn't. Please let go! Well then, who did? Everyone's probably gonna believe there's a ghost in the house here to haunt. Not some ghost that doesn't even exist. And on my birthday... What the? How come you guys didn't say anything before? What did I say? Well, we'll be safe from that ghost under the bed. I wouldn't count on it. There's a very possible chance that'll be the first place the ghost will look. The attic is perfect. Hiding in the attic. Cowards? Who are you calling a coward? Don't you know when to shut your yap? This is what happens when yous haunt our house over here. Shoot, boys. Water guns? Henry, you said these were real guns! There's children watching. You cowardly numbskull! I'll kill you! Guys, stop! Oh no! Trick or treat! You should have seen yourself. You were like, oh, help me, I'm so scared. Whoever's watching this, please carry on my legacy. You were born on Halloween? Sheesh, and I thought I was a hothead. I'm really lucky to have you guys. Give it up, man. It's been 3 minutes. Don't try to change my mind, guys. This is our house! That'll teach him. I want to make my smile even shinier. I want a toothbrush. Yeah, the computer virus kid was kind of silent during that clamor. Well, Matthew, we don't really need the gifts. Christmas isn't really about what you get. Me with all the animations I made. Oh, thank goodness! I can't believe I was willing to give up those boxing gloves I always wanted. Well, I've never worked before. That was an imposter! We've been tricked? Let's get him! Huh. I guess. Guess I'm not so unlucky after all. Yeah, I guess not. You gotta be flipping kidding me! Jimmy! Henry! Come here! Some idiot spilled glue all over the paper! Did you seriously think we wouldn't find out? Yeah, no big deal. That's enough! Nah! I'm gonna kill you so many times! We'll think of a way to get you unstuck. Where is he going? Why do you have that pencil? What? Ah! What is wrong with you? You're a flipping psychopath! Calm down. Watch. Oh, thank goodness. Well, that's that then. Come here. Hey, come on, we don't have to do that. Get over here, you lousy! I swear to God, I'm gonna rip your head off! Well, I suppose we'll be on our way. Tommy, give me the magazine. I know you have it. Please? No. Come on. It'll only be for a couple of minutes. I said no! Find your hiding spots and put that lava back in the volcano where you got it from. Jeez! These are the stick figures, Tommy, Jimmy, and Henry. Hey, how you doing? Do those colors match your personalities? Well, I don't know. Maybe for Tommy. Yeah, obviously for... What do you mean? I am not! Jimmy, am I fragile? I told ya. Okay, Henry, you got me. You know, I kind of feel sorry for you. A broken leg is not fun to have. What broken leg? Ow! That one! How are these two even my brothers?
Maybe here.
It's good to be home. Yeah, me three! Yeah, that kind of thing. Next up, now the stick figures are gonna have their own segment in the show as well, and it's great that CartoonMania's getting a reboot. It's nice to start fresh with new stories and more memorable moments with these beloved familiar faces. But with a brand new start comes brand new danger.
What's that? Internship program for students in the Tacoma School District.
Oh! I still don't get it.
Could you expand on that a little bit? Alright, watch this.
Huh, that was actually pretty interesting. Yeah. Hey, what else is on? Give me that.
So what was it called again? Next Move. And what's it for? Internship for high school students before graduating.
What school district?
Tacoma. And what was it called again? What?
Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in your fight.